Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock a contact on your Redmi 14C. So let's say for instance you blocked a contact accidentally and you'd like to unblock them. It's pretty simple. So all you have to do is open the phone application on your device, and then within the phone app, find the contact that you'd like to unblock. So let's say for instance this particular contact that you blocked and you'd like to unblock it. You can select it. Now within the contact details, scroll down until you find the option unblock numbers, and then tap on it. And then you'll see this prompt, unblock number. You may receive calls and texts from this particular number. If you like to confirm, you can simply tap on unblock, and that will unblock that particular contact. Another way you can do this is by opening the phone's application and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and then tap on settings. And then within the settings, find the option blocked numbers. So from here, you'll see all the numbers that you've currently blocked. And if you'd like to unblock a number, simply tap on the X option or X button next to that particular number. And then you should see unblock that particular number. Simply tap on unblock, and that will unblock your contact. So that's basically it on how to unblock a contact on your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.